Welcome to Allocating Cookies and Care to Share to Girls with eBuddy. There are two views under Girl Orders. You can see a summary, troop view, or each girl's detail. The system defaults to the troop summary view, so let's look at that one first. The troop summary view shows the total roll for each girl. The troop order line shows all the cookies the troop has received, either via initial order, troop-to-troop transaction, or pickups from the cupboard. These packages are ultimately what the troop is responsible to pay for. The line will update throughout the cookie program. The girl totals line shows you all the cookies that have been allocated to the girls. Your goal is to match the total number of girl totals line to the total number of the troop order line. The difference line shows the difference between how many cookies the troop has and how many have been allocated to the girls. This line will update each time you allocate cookies to the girls. You will also see varieties of cookies, care to share packages, and financials. To move cookies to the girls, click on a girl's name, then click Add Transaction. Enter a comment such as booth number 1, the date, or even a receipt number, and the number of boxes by variety to move to the girl in the green boxes. Click OK, and then click Save. If you want to switch to another girl, you can use the drop-down menu in the upper right. Be sure to give girls credit for their Care to Share packages in the CTS column so that they receive their reward items. Whenever a girl turns in money, record it in eBuddy. Click on Add Payment, enter the amount turned in, or enter money received for the cookies at a booth sale in the green box at the bottom. Click OK or enter on your keyboard. Don't forget to click Save. You'll be able to see the amount owed by each girl on her record. You can click on Return to Summary View to return to the Troop Summary page. When you are in the Troop Summary screen, you can either print the information by clicking on the Printable Version button, or you can export it by clicking on the Export button. This will allow you to download this information to save as an HTML file or cut and paste into another program. The export feature is only available on the Troop Summary screen, but you can print from each girl's record by clicking on Printable Version. Booth sale numbers can also be recorded from the Girl Orders tab, or from the Booth Sides tab. Make sure to allocate all cookies to individual girls so girls are credited for their sales and receive their recognitions and rewards. When you're finished, the difference row should be 0.